Good morning. It's December 18th, the day after all the snowfall. Hi, Roxanne. Still have snow in the trees. It's still beautiful out. So I finally finished. It was almost 10:30 last night when I got to relax. Had to remove snow at the farm. It was dark out. Went at the house to clean the yard. Finished that after 10 o'clock last night, so I'm a little bit on the slow-mo side today, this morning. Hey, Rhonda. Hi, Pixie. Oh, no spitting. Nope, you had one. Go on. Hi, Dixie. You want a treat? There we go. Gina. Gina doesn't know what they are. I don't think. Come on. Come on. Lucy. Lucy. Lucy says, I will try it. Lacey. Lacey, you want to try one? If I had more time, they'd all know what these are. But really don't have time. Here, Bella. Bella wants a treat. She knows what they are. What about Cocoa? Oh, Cinnamon says, never mind my mom, Cocoa. This is Cocoa, this is Cinnamon. Cocoa is Cinnamon's mom. Here we go. Cocoa is quite the girl too. One time I was sitting at the table and a picnic table and eating an apple, and along come Cocoa and she tried to take the apple right out of my hand. Dolly, Dolly, come on. Come on, Dolly. No. Belly will take one. Hey, Mookabella. Yeah. What about Lady Diana? Mommy says I don't know what they are, and Lady Diana doesn't know what they are either. You want another one, Cocoa? Yeah. Yeah. Lucy says, that was pretty good stuff. I'll take another one. Yeah. No? You gonna take it or not? There we go. Pretty girls. Yeah. So, okay, that's it. We don't need to be eating all apple treats. It's beautiful out. Beautiful, beautiful. I just want to go. I like to do a little check when after snow I can see if there's any predators that have been around. There was some dog-like tracks, so before, which could mean fox, dog, coyote. Don't appear to be any in my hayfield. That's the hayfield out there that I make my beautiful hay from. But don't see any tracks, which is a good sign. I'm not so worried about the alpacas. I don't really think one coyote would do much with an alpaca. They'd take care of that coyote, believe it or not. There was a YouTube video that showed down in the States, I don't remember where, but there was a cougar that had jumped in the nursery with the female alpacas and the baby, and the cougar had the baby in its mouth, and that mom went after that cougar and she saved her baby. Nothing like a determined mom protecting their babies. Though, of course, the baby needed stitches and what have you, but yeah, she saved her. Proud moments. So nice to watch the bond of moms. Yeah. Hey. And alpacas, they keep that bond with their babies. Even 2, 3 years later, 4 years, that they know it's their mom. And they'll hang out together. So you can have, if you keep your alpacas, you'll have many generations together. So, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful day. So I guess I better get to work. I'm just procrastinating. I don't really feel like doing it. I'm sore from yesterday, but anyway, has to be done, so I'll get on it. So you have a good day. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Any help you can give with sharing, liking, hitting that, subscribing to my channel. All this stuff is good. Here, Georgie. Georgie's Gina's mom. Yeah. Yeah, pretty girl. Yeah. Stay safe. Take care.